In this video, we will see how we can generate a sinus file. The sinus file defines the multi-signature configuration used by your account. For definitions of the concepts that are mentioned in this video, I encourage you to take a look at asfaload.com/docs/concepts. Let's start by taking a look at the help of the command. A sinus file is made up of groups. We have the artifact signer group, the admin keys group, the master keys group, and we also have a revocation group. For each group, we can define a threshold. That is the number of signers of the group that have to provide a signature for the aggregate signature to be considered as complete. Each group of the sinus file has a specific purpose. For example, the artifact signers group will be used when you will sign a release. The admin keys group, on the other hand, is used to update the sinus file that is used by your project. We will start by generating a simple sinus file. To generate the sinus file, you must have collected the public keys of your sinus. This is what I've done here. In this file, I have one key, and in this other file, I put one key per line. I will start by generating a sinus file with the two keys I collected in this file. And I set a threshold of 1. This means that as soon as one signer of the group has provided a signature, the aggregated signature is considered as complete. This is not the best setup, but this is just an example. If you don't provide an output file, the sinus file is generated on the standard output. We see that we have two keys in the artifact sinus group, and the threshold is set to 1. All the flags that we pass to the command for one group are additive. This means that if I pass another key on the same command line, this will be added to the keys that are in the files in here. Generating the sinus file, we see that we have 3 keys now. Let's have a look at a command to generate a sinus file with all groups defined. For each group, I have collected the public keys, part of the group, in one file, one key per line, and I will use these in this call. I placed the keys of the artifact signers in this file, and I keep the threshold of 1. The admin keys have been put in this file, and this group has a threshold of 2. The master keys are in this file with a threshold of 1, and the revocation keys are in this file with a threshold of 2. I also set the -O flag, which will generate a file on disk. Calling the command, I get an overview on the standard output. As a reminder, the master keys cannot be used in other groups. Let's say I use a key from the artifact signers in the master group. I'll take the first line. At that time, as you can see, I added this artifact signers file as a master key with this flag, but this is not possible because this key is also present in the artifact signers. So this generates an error.